Saidit and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. Today I'll try to do the 8K video playback test in the iQOO Z3 device, so which a lot of viewers are actually asking for. The reason is because the iQOO Z3 has got the Snapdragon 768G processor, which is our latest processor, friends. So let's see whether this Snapdragon 768G will be able to play the 8K video directly. The phones which are having the really very good powerful processors, only then they will be able to play the 8K videos directly in the smartphone. So let's see, friends, whether this iQOO Z3 will be having that kind of very good powerful chipset or not to play the 8K video direct. So let me get to see. So in case if you want to watch different kind of videos on the iQOO Z3 device, so make sure to check these playlist, friends, which are created. And just yesterday night I did upload a speed test comparison between the iQOO 7 as well, so iQOO Z3 versus iQOO 7. So make sure to check those videos in case if you are interested on this smartphone. Let's check this whether this 8K video will be playing in this smartphone or not in the iQOO Z3 device. That is what I'm trying to check right now. I'm trying to play the 8K video using the MX Player application. So this is a test which I'll be doing on every smartphone whatever I get. I think right now the 8K video is slightly kind of, I think it's playing. Let's see what is the time right now. I think the time is around 12 seconds and 13 seconds, not bad. So in this case I need to test using the stopwatch. The reason I bought the stopwatch is because I'll try to start the video at same time and the stopwatch at same time. So we'll try to see the time between this video and this stopwatch, whether is there any kind of lag or not. That's what I'm trying to see. So usually in some phones you do feel the 8K videos kind of playing, but it's not playing smoothly. So we'll know the time difference as well after maybe 30 seconds or 1 minute of time. After 1 minute you can see the difference. If the both phone and the stopwatch are at same, then definitely 8K videos playing really smooth in the iQOO Z3 device. That is what I want to just confirm in this phone. So before actually telling you that, so sometimes you may not be noticing, friends, whether the 8K video is playing smooth or some kind of lag. So unless you compare with other powerful chipsets, so maybe I'll try to do that kind of comparison with other smartphones. But right now it feels really good watching this kind of 8K video directly without any kind of issues right now. As you can see, friends, I cannot see any kind of problem playing this 8K video right now. So it should not be, I think it should be kind of okay, I think so, hopefully. But let's see, after exactly 1 minute I'll try to show you the time. So try to observe the time in the phone and try to observe the time on the stopwatch, so you'll get to know exact difference, how much it is there. So let me try to click the screen. So as you can see, friends, right now it's 39 seconds. You can clearly see 39 seconds, and the stopwatch it is at 1 minute. I think overall 8K video is not able to play in this iQOO Z3 device. That is what I can give the conclusion, and it did not decrease any kind of speed, nothing at all. Let me try to show you what kind of decoder I am trying to use, software decoder I am trying to use. Let me try to change to hardware decoder. Hardware decoder is not supported, and hardware decoder plus is also not supported. Only the software decoder is supported at this point, and it's not playing that smooth, as you can see, friends. So you can just observe the time difference. That is the reason why I did mention to watch the time difference as well. So now you'll be able to get to know whether this processor is kind of powerful or not. I don't think at this point the Snapdragon maybe 768G can be capable of playing this much of direct 8K footage in this phone in the iQOO Z3 device. So this is a video lot of users are actually waiting for, whether the phone will be supporting the 8K video or not. And finally we got to know the results as well. So shockingly it's not supported at this point, friends. And thank you for watching this video, and make sure to check the links in description. And usually I'll try to do this kind of same 8K video in other smartphones using the same MX Player. In other smartphones, for example Snapdragon 855, it used to work properly. So below that process, I think they will have this little kind of problem in terms of the playing the 8K footage. So this is a 8K footage at 30 fps, not the 60 fps. This is just 30 fps. Let me show you the information, so you can actually see the how much fps it is. 7680 into 4320 resolution, and the 229.9 frame rates. So this is a 30 fps frame rates video only, and it's not supported in the iQOO Z3 smartphone. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and don't forget to check the links in description for more videos on the iQOO Z3 device. And see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.